Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add Opal card to Apple Wallet. First, launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. Next, tap the plus button in the top right corner. Here select debit or credit card from the options. Tap Continue and either scan your Opal card using the camera or manually enter the details. Review the card details and fill in any necessary information, such as the expiration date and CVV. Then accept the terms and conditions. Proceed with verification by entering the OTP sent to your registered phone number. Once confirmed, your Opal card will be successfully added to Apple Wallet and ready for use. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.